So we're going to learn about even and odd properties of trigonometric functions. So there are a few things that you need to know, and I believe taking notes might really help. The odd trig functions are sine, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent. And odd just means that if you take one of these, we'll use sine, one of those of a negative x, you're going to get a negative sine of x. So you'll, if you put in a negative x, it will change the function to a negative sine of x, or negative whichever function you're looking at. And the only even functions are cosine and secant. And what that means is if you put in a negative x, it's the same as if you put in a positive x. So the cosine of negative x is equal to the cosine of x. So to answer these questions, if we know that the function's tangent of x, we know it's odd. So we'll click odd, and the secant of x is even. So the tangent of negative pi fifths is going to be the negative tangent of negative pi fifths. And the secant of negative 53 is the same thing as secant of 53. Try again. Okay, so I did something wrong here. Secant of negative 53 is equal to 3. Tangent of negative pi fifths, whoopsies, is equal to the negative tangent of pi fifths. Okay, here we go. Recheck. There we go. Okay, we're going to try one more. The cosecant is odd, and the tangent is also odd. So if you have the cosecant of a negative x, it's going to equal the negative cosecant of a positive x. And the tangent of a negative x is the negative tangent of a positive. There we go, 122, check. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.